Apple has filed dozens of patents hinting at designs for a foldable iPhone, but these contain so many possibilities that anybody's guess right now as to what direction the company will go in is probably wrong. There have been long-standing rumors that Apple could be working on such a device, including a foldable iPhone, which we'll call iPhone Flip for now. According to a February 2024 report from The Information, Apple is building prototypes of at least 2 iPhones that fold widthwise like a clamshell for at least 5 years or more. According to a person with direct knowledge of the situation, this corroborates previous reports that Apple has been developing and testing foldable OLED screens and hinges since at least 2017. Again, these are very early stages of development, so don't expect to see them in 2024 or even 2025. The earliest possible launch time would be at least 2026. The latest report also indicates that Apple has approached at least one Asian supplier for the components required for these 2 foldable iPhone models. According to reports, Apple's CEO, Tim Cook, inquired about the possibility of designing a foldable iPhone as early as 2018. Cook responded positively to a foldable iPhone prototype with a 7-inch display. In or around 2020, Apple stopped working on a foldable iPhone and shifted their focus to a foldable iPad. The foldable iPad would have a display size of 8 inches, which is similar to that of an iPad mini. Apple is working to eliminate the crease issue and develop a hinge that allows display to open up completely flat without affecting the Apple Pencil's functionality. It was reported that in 2020, Apple and Samsung Display has signed a deal to supply a large number of foldable display samples over a year. These samples were going to be used for testing foldable iPhone prototypes. At the same time, Apple has started testing hinges that could withstand up to 100,000 folds. In comparison, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is capable of surviving at least 200,000 folds. It's not known whether Apple has raised its standard to match that of Samsung. Apple might be testing diverse designs. John Prosser's leak in 2020 reveals that the company is experimenting with a dual screen design similar to Microsoft's Surface Neo and Surface Duo, instead of a foldable single screen. Prosser's sources claimed that after the first hinge testing, Apple would focus on creating a foldable iPhone with a clamshell design similar to the Galaxy Z Flip. According to industry analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple's first foldable device will be much larger than the iPhone and may not even be an iPhone. Kuo predicted the emergence of a new category of devices with a display size ranging from 7.5 to 8 inches, which will blur the lines between the iPhone and the iPad. Unlike Prosser, Kuo didn't claim to have seen any examples of this device. And if you want to know what's the most horrible dark facts about Apple, click here. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.